Oh, hey, my name is Janelle, and I'm going to show you how I went from that to this. But wait a minute. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get all upload notifications. And if you enjoyed this video, like and comment. But let's stop one more time. Before I slayed this look, let me tell you, I was struggling. I mean, look at my face. I was so over it. But as you can see, that didn't stop me and I didn't quit. So let's just start from the beginning. When it comes to the parting for this style, think of it this way. Splitting your hair into 4 sections and only working with one. After you part your hair, you want to clip that specific section away, and then you want to create a wider part using the original parting as a guide, just like so. Once you make sure it looks good, you want to just clip that section up, just like you did with the previous section, and then all you're doing now is just putting the rest of your hair up to work with that second section that you created. So, to prep my hair for this braid, I am just misting it with a little bit of water and making sure it's detangled. And then I just corn roll it, making sure that I braid my hair all the way to the end. Now, we're going to go back and use the original first section that we parted, and we're only parting it to have a small section left out, just like you see here. So, I clipped the rest of the hair away and I'm just going to corn roll this section as well. If you don't know how to corn roll, you can flat twist or you can just twist both sections up. And the hard part is done. So now we're going to unclip the rest of my hair. We're gonna leave a little bit of hair out just to curl it for later. And now we're going in with the D3 Cherry Blossom 7-row Denman brush to just brush my hair all the way up and out of the way and prep it so that I can bun it up. So I'm taking my time making sure that it's nice and high. Look at me slay. I'm kidding. So once I did that, I'm just going to take out a little bit of hair just like I did in the in the other side, and just wet my hair, brush it up, and again just continue to prep it so that I can put it in a nice high top knot bun. Now this is where the struggle begins. When my hair is out in its untangled state and I'm going to be using a hair tie, the struggle is real to just get my hair nice and tight. It was a struggle, as you can see here, but that's not where it ends. So I wanted to create a nice voluminous bun, and so I decided to split my hair in half, create a bun in the bottom, and then just layer the rest of my hair on top. But as you can see, there were already issues, and if you don't see the issues, let me pinpoint them out. The perimeter of my hair is very loose, and the placement of my bun is not all the way at the top. Look, I was tired. But this is what I did to solve the problem. So I but I decided to use like a head scarf type hair tie where, I had to literally just wrap it around my hair to secure it, just like so. And as you can see, the placement of my bun is higher. Not only is the placement of my bun higher, but the perimeter of my hair is also nice and tight. It's not all the way tight, as I'm not gonna get a headache, but it's tight. And then now I'm just wrapping my hair around. The good thing about having my hair in its untangled state, where it's nice and voluminous and in its fro state, is pretty much that I have a lot of volume. So as you can see here, I am just adding the hair tie to secure it all in place. I'm not adding one, I'm adding 2 because all this hair needs to be fully secure. The last thing you want is to walk around and have your bun halfway fallen off. That is not the look. So now I'm going to add more water to my hair, and I'm going to use Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, one pump and one pump only, to just lather that all up around the perimeter of my hair. Make sure that it's nicely distributed with my hands, but not only with my hands. I'm going to go in with my hard bristle brush to just lay all those hairs down. Now the thing is that because my hair was not previously laid with gel prior to me securing it in its headband hair tie, I have to go in with my rat tail comb to really tuck all of those hairs up toward the root of my bun. Do what is necessary to slick your hair all the way down. So this is just the techniques that I'm using to lay my hair down. And once that's done, I'm adding a little bit more of that curly magic to these strands of hairs just to get them nice and coiled. Once that's done, of course I'm going to lay my edges down. Nothing too crazy, a nice little swoop, and there you go, looking nice and good. Moving along, I obviously do the other side just like you see here. And then I had to go back and fix this little curl right here, because if you were paying attention in the previous clips, it was all the way jacked up, but it looks good now. Now listen, I'm here doing my happy dance, and let me remind you, this is where we were before. Yeah, this right here on the struggle bus. So that is why I was dancing. We came up and achieved this beautiful updo. My hair is slicked down. Those little strands on the side are nice and coiled. Look at that. Oh yes. Another little dance. Let's get it. But let's change some clothes and do my makeup. And this is what we end up with. My makeup is nice and vibrant, natural looking highlight lip gloss. But that's not the point of this video. This tutorial is on my hair. So you saw the struggles and you saw how we got here, and let's just say I am super happy. If you like this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment, share it, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on Saturday when I drop another one. Positive vibes, peace and love. That's what I look like outside with the sun, and that's it.